Today, I am here in Orient Pearl Seafoods and Restaurant, which is located at 181 A. Del Mundo Street, corner 10th Avenue, South Caloocan, Caloocan City. It was granted accreditation on the 20th of May in the year 1991, and it is the only branch here in the Philippines. In this restaurant, they serve Chinese cuisine, and their specialties are seafoods like eels, crabs, lobsters, prawns, and lapu-lapu. In addition, they also have wine and beer in their menu. They are open every day, including holidays, from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. The time or peak where the most customers visit are lunchtime and dinner time. Customers who would want to visit here should bring 500 pesos approximately for a meal for two. Also, they offer catering services and accept credit cards. Just last 2015, I attended a family friend's wedding reception here, and I can tell you that they do have delicious food from the soups down to the desserts. So if you're visiting Caloocan City and looking for exceptional Chinese food, then I highly recommend that you come here to Orient Pearl. What are you waiting for? Come and try Orient Pearl today.